We have a tempered glass problem. What's up, Gadgeteers? My name is Hector and this is Gadget Beard, and on this channel I unbox and review everyday tech, gadgets, and accessories for you. And in today's video I have 3 different types of tempered glass screen protectors here that I bought on Amazon. It's actually 4, but I did buy a different brand and they sent me 2 of the same ones, so apparently they're using all the same brands out there. But what we all have in common is these are all saying they're full adhesive tempered glass screen protectors, which by any means they're not. These are only have adhesive around the black borders. If you can see, they all have black borders and they all have that matrix dot effect. I don't know if you can see it clear through the lens, but they have a little matrix dot effect here, and these don't all have adhesive in the back of the glass. The adhesive is only on the black borders. These are all similar types of screen protectors here, as you can see. They're just pretty much, they might be the same screen protector and just branded differently. It's like a generic, yeah, these look like they're generic brand screen protectors and they just rebrand them to whatever they want. Anyways, these range anywhere from, they're not cheap, they range anywhere from $12 to $20 I think I paid, but they all have bad reviews because they all have one thing in common, is the in-display fingerprint reader does not work. Currently right now there's not a full adhesive screen protector out there that will actually work. There's no full adhesive screen protector at all. Whitestone Dome, where you at? We're waiting on you. So the only good current screen protection you can get on your Pixel 6 Pro is a TPU flexible screen protector, which I know a lot of people don't like them, but right now it's good enough to get us through until somebody comes out with an actually good full adhesive screen protector. So the purpose of this video is just to give you guys a heads up. Don't go ahead and buy anything out there on Amazon right now that is they're saying that it's a full adhesive tempered glass screen protector, but it's not. If you have these black borders on the outside, chances are that it's not full adhesive, and the adhesive is only around the black border, and that is the only portion that sticks to the screen. So they're not very good. I have run into some forums here that if you have lying around some extra glue from like a Whitestone Dome or anything like that, that if you go ahead and take one of these, drop the glue on your phone, place this on top, they actually work. I'm a little hesitant to try it because I don't have an alignment tray or anything like that. But let me know down in the comment section below if you guys want to see me actually do that on my Pixel 6 Pro, so I can go ahead and try it with one of these tempered glass screen protectors. So this is just a heads up for you guys to be aware that right now on Amazon there's absolutely nothing that's going to work with your Pixel 6 Pro that when it comes to tempered glass screen protector. Like I said, the only one is this TPU one that I have currently installed, and it actually works with your fingerprint reader, so there's no issues or anything like that in regards to that. So let me know down in the comment section below 2 things. If you have bought one, what'd you do? Are you thinking about buying one, or are you just going to wait until Whitestone Dome releases its own that most likely is going to work? 2, if you want to see me try to use one of these tempered glass screen protectors with that little Whitestone Dome glue that I have extra, and see if that actually works, and to see if that can actually hold us down until an official one is released. Let me know down in the comment section below if you would like to see that. But thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. If you're into the Pixel 6 Pro or the Pixel 6, make sure you subscribe to this channel because I absolutely love that phone, and I'll be doing a lot of content in regards to that phone, accessory reviews, and opinionated videos as well. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and like always, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.